Hey clean freaks, welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you guys a different kind of cleaning motivation. It's an extremely messy one today, but my kids and my nephew, they are taking over my cleaning queen channel today. So we just ate dinner and they're going to be cleaning up the kitchen and everything like that. So yeah, let's dive into this video because I'm excited for you guys to see it. They did such a great job. I did have to go back behind them and clean up a little bit, but for the most part they did fantastic. They're gonna give you a little bit of dancing, some comedy, and at the end my son, he cracked me up. So as I was editing this, I just was laughing because some of the parts I did not see, but it just was extremely funny. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video, enjoy the music, and I will pop back in a little later.
To hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
So as you can see, I just popped in for a little bit just to kind of help them, straighten out the dishes in the dishwasher so that everything can get in there the way that it's supposed to. And my daughter Michaela was showing you guys the room freshener that I normally use to clean like the countertops with and the stovetop. So her chore for that night was to clean the countertops, the stovetops, the appliances, and the table. And so she was doing that. Then my nephew's job was to sweep and to take out the trash. And then my son's job was to unload the dishwasher and reload the dishwasher. So they did excellent, you guys. I am so proud of them.
Disappearing at last, you made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. Illogical, that something that you do to me is chemical. Physical, I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching it all the way through. My name is Shushana. If this is your first time coming to my channel, my name is Shushana, and I do have two channels. My main channel, which is Regal Designs by Shushana, and on that channel I do a lot of DIYs, home decor, seasonal decor, and thrifting. Some shop with me videos here and there as well. There goes my nephew. And then this is my cleaning queen channel, which I do clean with me's, lots of cleaning motivations, you guys. I do a lot of decluttering and organizational videos on this channel. So I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to both my channels, leave thumbs up for the videos, share the channels on your social media networks with your families and friends. Also double tap that bell for new notifications so that you will be notified when I do upload new videos. Also, make sure you stay tuned because I am doing my Christmas in July series for the entire month of July, and I did go ahead and upload Clean With Me, Christmas Clean With Me on Wednesday. So make sure you check the description box as I will link it down below for you if you have not yet seen it. It is a collaboration, so there's a bunch of ladies that's taking part, so I will link that playlist for you guys as well. And also stay tuned because there will be a lot more cleaning videos coming your way on this channel, and also some Christmas collaborations. So I so appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more cleaning videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, be unique, go and inspire and be inspired, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out